Hi guys, today I will show you my serum preset when I have, and I wanna show you and tested the sound when I have. This is the file from my serum preset. Let's just see how many. Here it's show me is the 333 megabytes is all together. As the 858 files should be, some files is maybe is the same, but it's not so much. That is all this my preset files for the serum. The serum is for me is the one is the favorite VST instrument. So anyway, what you need to do, let's just mark and copy and first let's going to the serum. The serum on the moment is nothing user here. This is just in the factory instrument. This is just factory. So now my location on the user, I need to put this when I put this preset. So we copy from here. I need to going on the documents, the Xfer here, the serum presets, and here is the presets as well. And we're going on the user, and all this one will be pasted here. This is the location on the user preset on the serum on my computer. Is the way is the document. Maybe you have another location, but need to find the location. Where is that? I'm going on the user and just in the paste all preset here. When you're doing this one, let's going on the serum as well. So now on the menu here, just need to going to a Rescan folder on disk, just in the breast. If you see here, as now would be, let's just zoom a little bit if possible. We try to zoom. It's not want to zoom. But anyway, so here I zoom is ready. Let's show you now. You see now is the program. The program now is the 1316 folder. That is the show me which one need to be fine. And when it's ready, still need to add. It's a little bit more, not so long. Right, so when it's word, so the all user now is available to use now. All user here is available. So I'm not showing everything because it's so much. Just will be going on my favorite one just when I'm rating here, just to show the sound. Let's go another one. Xfer Serum. Let's set another one. This is a little bit same. This is very good. I like it. Just to put the mouse on somewhere. Synth here. Push as well. Just need to take off a little bit from myself. Maybe from here is just the right thing. Which one? Check it, this one from the top. If you use it just in the user here, will be fine at only the user one, like location. Maybe if you I'm not spending your time just to check all together because there's so many. So about this one, interesting. It's interesting as well. So many, so many. Which one? It's interesting as well. I think should be this is the enough information. So the I was just in the thinking from the price will be put on the £750 for the this one for the all this the preset. If somebody want for more information, just check below the video. I will put the all information there. If somebody want to have and buy, will be received the this zip file. This one is I make it on the zip just to be comfortable to use, and if just in the buy and will be received the zip, and just need to be unzip this one to have this one. So I will show the way. When you receive this one, just in the copy and paste on the user folder, on the user, on the serum, on the preset, and the user here. I just in the put there, later rescan the serum, and will be ready for use it. Thank you very much to watch the video. Thank you very much.